Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the Fatty Kitchen with Chef Ibrahim. For the recipe, have a quick look on the ingredients. 3 shoots and stalk of green onions, 500 gram already shredded and boiled chicken, half teaspoon of fenugreek leaf, 1 teaspoon of salt, 5 chopped and diced freshly mushroom, 1 chopped onion, 1 by 8 teaspoon of rosemary, 1 by 8 teaspoon of oregano, 2 tablespoon of tomato puree, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 chopped garlic clove, 1 by 8 teaspoon of thyme, and obviously for the recipe we are using here 3 whole capsicum. Now let's begin the recipe. I am putting here 2 large tomatoes in the briskly boiling water for 5 to 8 minutes until their skin get peeled, and then we make a tomato puree so that we can use later in the mixture. For the preparation of the mixture, heat the pan, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, add garlic, wait until it smells good, then add chopped onion, fry until its color changes to golden. Then add salt and black pepper one by one. Mix them well. Now add freshly made tomato puree. Stir well until the mixture becomes even. Add all the herbs like oregano, thyme, rosemary. Mix them well in the mixture. Now it's time for the addition of the tomato paste. And now chicken and mushroom will go inside. After mixing all the ingredients, finally add some green onion on the top and then cover the lid on low flame for another 2 minutes, and the mixture is ready to go for the filling of the capsicum. I am using here colored capsicum, and if you have only green capsicum, then you can go with the green. Remove the internal seeds of the capsicum because sometimes they are very bitter, so it's better to remove all the seeds. Now it's time for the filling of the capsicum. Add the prepared mixture in the capsicum one by one with the help of a spoon. For creating more space, press the mixture with the help of a spoon. On the top, I'm using here low-fat mozzarella cheese. If you have full fat, then you can also use it. Add some black olives. Now it's time for the baking, so grease the pan and add the stuffed capsicum in the pan and bake for 15 to 20 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. Wait, where are you going all? Wait for the result. And here we go. Alhamdulillah, it's looking super yummy and delicious. Serve them with potato wedges. It's very healthy for the kids also. And now it's time to eat. So have a bite. Amazing. Hope you will definitely love the taste of this super yummy and delicious stuffed capsicum, and will definitely try this at home. For more healthy recipes, stay tuned with Fatty Kitchen. With this, me, Chef Ibrahim, signing off. Allah Negeban.